The add topic feature on Instagram is crucial for content categorization and improving your post's reach through the algorithm. When this feature disappears, your content discovery and engagement can suffer significantly. When the add topic feature is missing, you'll notice you can't categorize your posts during the upload process. This immediately impacts your content's discoverability and reach potential. First, ensure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Outdated apps often lack newer features like Add Topic. Open your device's app store and check for Instagram updates. Next, force close the Instagram app completely and restart it. This clears temporary glitches and refreshes the app's interface, often restoring missing features. For Android users, clear the Instagram app cache through your device settings. iOS users should delete and reinstall the app. This removes corrupted temporary files that might be hiding the Add Topic feature. Instagram may hide features from accounts that have violated community guidelines. Check your account status for any recent warnings or content removals that might be affecting feature availability. Instagram requires complete profiles to access advanced features. Ensure you have a profile picture, bio description, and contact information. Some regions also require a minimum follower count. Different account types have varying access to Instagram features. Try switching between personal, business, and creator accounts to see if the Add Topic feature appears. Business and creator accounts often have more features available. Finally, navigate to Instagram settings to manually enable the Add Topic feature. Follow this path: Settings, then Account, then Original Posts, and look for the Add Topics to Posts option. After completing these steps, the Add Topic feature should be restored. Test it by creating a new post and looking for the topic selection option during the upload process. When immediate fixes don't resolve the Add Topic feature issue, we need to dive deeper into advanced troubleshooting methods and implement long-term prevention strategies. First, check if your account has been shadow banned or flagged for policy violations. Instagram may restrict features for accounts that violate community guidelines. Try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi connections, as network issues can sometimes prevent features from loading properly. Also, try logging out and back into your account to refresh your session. If mobile troubleshooting fails, try using Instagram's web version as an alternative. You can also contact Instagram support directly for account-specific issues that require manual review. Prevention is better than cure. Maintain regular app maintenance by updating Instagram weekly and clearing your cache monthly to prevent feature issues. Follow Instagram's community guidelines strictly to avoid account restrictions. Post consistently, engage authentically with your audience, and avoid any spam-like behavior patterns. Monitor your account health regularly by tracking engagement metrics and watching for unusual activity patterns. Use Instagram's analytics to understand your account performance. Stay informed about Instagram's feature updates and policy changes. Diversify your content distribution across multiple social media platforms to reduce dependence on a single algorithm. Remember, preventing Instagram feature issues requires consistent account maintenance, adherence to community standards, and proactive monitoring. By following these advanced troubleshooting steps and prevention strategies, you can maintain reliable access to all Instagram features, including Add Topic.